Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial on how to create a ring. I'm going to be taking measurements from my ring. Obviously your ring size is going to be different, so you'll have to do your own measurements, but this is going to be a basic tutorial on how to create a ring. Change that to plan view. I'm going to go ahead and take a measurement from my ring first. So the inner diameter is 7/8. So what we want to do first is we want to go ahead and say 0.125, which is an eighth, times 7. It's 0.875. So I'm going to divide that into 2. So we got a measurement of 0.4375. So what we're going to do is take a line here. Got to go ahead and change this to inches. So to do that, we go File. We go to Design Spark Options. We go to Units. We click from metric to imperial, and then we say OK. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get rid of that line there. We'll start over again. Turn on our snap to guide or snap to grid. And then we want to put a line out there. 0.4375. Enter. Okay, so we're going to start our ring design here, and then we're going to revolve it around. Okay, so basically most rings are probably about 1/4 of an inch thick. If you want to go real thick, you can go 3/8. So we're going to do 3/8. So we're going to go 0.125 times 3. And then we'll divide that into 2. So we want to go up 0.1875. So what we're going to do here is create a line. We're going to come up 0.1875. Okay, now we're going to get another line. We're going to come down 0.1875. Okay, now we're going to go thickness of the ring, probably about 1/8 of an inch, so that's 0.125. So what we're going to do, go ahead and go get our offset. We'll click here, we'll go over to here, 0.125. Do the same on this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put a line on top here, line on the bottom. I'm going to make this round on the outside, so we'll go ahead and get our 3-point arch. We'll come from here over to here, and then we're just going to round this to there. Okay, now we'll get our trim away tool. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and draw a line here in the center. Alright, we're going to select all of this. Actually, I want to put a little groove in my ring, so we'll go ahead and Control plus to zoom in. We'll get our square tool. We'll say define from center. I'll go ahead and click there. Let's turn off snap over here, snap to grid. Let's turn that off. We're going to put a small little notch right here. Okay, that's good. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Deselect this line, hold down the Control key. We're going to go move. We're going to grab that green, and we're just going to slide it over ever so slightly. Right to that. Okay, now we're going to get our trim away tool. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get our select tool and drag our key around this. We're going to say pull. Click here. I'm going to go tool, click that revolve. We're going to revolve it around there. We're going to say full pull. And now we're going to go ahead and get rid of this line. Go ahead and spin this. This is our ring. Going to go ahead and put some fillets on it. We'll do 0.03 fillet there. I'll go ahead and pull the bottom one. Same, 0.03. Just make it easier for the ring to go on. I'm going to put a small fillet right here. I'm going to go 0.1. Put an 0.1 there. We'll spin the top. Alright, that's going to be our basic ring. We'll go top view. Check it out from the isometric view. Okay, that's going to be our ring. You'll have to make your own measurements, but it's pretty basic, pretty simple to do. You just go ahead and create half the side, revolve it around. Add your fillets or add your chamfers, and then you got yourself a ring. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. If you got anything useful out of this, please consider liking and subscribing. And thank you for watching.